Good. We continue question number 5. All right. So, okay, question number 5. Given p plus q and p minus can be expanded into p squared minus q squared. So what conclusion can be made out of 3 squared minus k squared? So this one is quite simple. So 3 squared minus k squared. So it's equivalent to 3 plus k, 3 minus k, right? So that is the conclusion. So how about B2, right? So 2 is a bit is okay, sorry. 2 is change the color. 2 is p squared minus q squared equals to 36. So this one we can write as p plus q, p minus q equals to 36. If you leave the answer like this, is I think is acceptable. But if you want to change the p and q into a numbers, so you need to know what p squared minus q squared equals to 36. So it's we can use Pythagoras theorem actually. So p squared minus q squared equals to 6 squared, right? So p squared is actually equals to q squared plus 6 squared. So if you remember Pythagoras theorem, okay, Pythagoras theorem. So what number 6 squared plus what number become p squared, right? So this one is actually using 8 squared plus 6 squared equals to 10 squared. So therefore, p plus q, right? So it's 10 squared minus 8 squared equals to 6 squared. Therefore, we have 10 plus 8, 10 minus 8. So equals to 36. So p plus q, p minus q equals to 36 can be written as 10 plus 8 and 10 minus 8. Okay. Right. 10 minus 8 equals to 36. All right. For number 6, okay, determine the sum of the first 50. Yeah? So first 50 odd numbers. So you can see if one odd numbers, so you get 1 square. If 2 odd numbers, you get 2 square. So number 1, if you want to get the sum of first 50 odd numbers, so if from here we can say R1, n is 1, so you get n square, right? So 2 is 2 square, so therefore n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So 50, first 50 odd, then being 50 square, so it's 2,500. So number 2, all right? So what is the first m odd numbers is 256. So we use the same formula, n squared equals to 256. So n equals to square root 256. So if you use your calculator, you should get n equals to 16. Right? So this is how you solve it. Okay, then we go to number 7. Okay, number 7 is regarding a cell, right? So first day, okay, you can see on the first day, you produce 2 cells on the first day. So this is called 0 day, this first day. So after first day, you contribute another 4 cells. This after first day, then second day we have this. The formula is given is Pt equals to 2 the power of t, right? So so how many new cells we produce in the 8th day? So we use P8. So P8 is 2 to the power 8. So, okay, 2 to the power 8. Okay. So it's 256 cells. 256 cells will be produced after 8 days. So B, so how many, on which day the number of new cells become 2048? Which day? So we use the same formula. So it's 2t equals to 2048. So if we use calculator, 2t equals to 2 to the power 11, right? So t is 11, right? Okay, t is 11. Okay, after 11 days. Okay, number 8. Okay, number 8 is problem solving. This is textbook examples. All right, so we want to find out the general formula for the toy factory based on the above table. This is very challenging question. So, but we need to know what time we start. So if we start at 7 o'clock, so that means 7 to 8, okay, 1 hour, we produce 270. So 8 to 9, we produce 520. So the difference here is 250. Okay, and then 9 to 10 also is 770. So the difference is also 250. So you can see here, 10 to 11. So we have 1020. So the difference is 250. Okay, therefore the general formula, okay, so you can produce is, okay, let's say after 8 hours, the first hours, so a first hour, so it's n, right? So you time 250, then you plus 20. This is first hour, right? So n is 1. If n is 2, so we have 250 added in. So 2 times 250 plus 20, that is the 9 hour. The 10 hour, 10 a.m. So it's 3 times 250. So it's 750 plus 20. So 770. Okay. And so on. Okay. So this is A. Okay. So you learn this. Okay. In maths. So this is called progression. So this is AP lah, actually. Right. So when you learn the AP, then maybe you won't get the same formula like this. Because if you start as 270, then it's 250, right? So the difference is like this. So therefore you will say this is A lah. The first hour A is 170. Then the second hour is plus T lah. This is second hour, right? So the first hour will be 8 o'clock lah. Then the second hour will be 9 o'clock, right? Okay, so here will be a bit of confusion when we come to number B1, right? So the formula you use will you will get a complication. If you use this straight away, you can get the answer. If you use this, then you have to do -1, okay? Because this one is after 1 hour. This one is 1 hour. Calculate from starting from 8, right? So this one is calculate from 7 a.m., right? So how many toys can be produced in a day? So in a day, you will start work from 7 a.m. until 10 p.m. So how to find the difference? So 10 a.m. is 22 hours, right? 22, you minus 7. So there is 15 hours of doing, 15 hours. So how many toys can be produced in a day? So we put T15. Okay, T15. So this one is Tn. Tn equals to 250 n time plus 20. So T15. So 15 times 250 plus 20. So we'll get 3770. Okay, toys per day. So now the second question come out is, if the factory received 25,000 toys car order must be completed in a week. So will the toy factory able to deliver the toys car on time? So we just need to multiply 3770. So we will get times 37. So you get 18500. Okay, sorry, 1850. So we still less of 6,500. Huh? We still less of 6,500 toys. Okay, so the question asks you, if it's not, then what is suggest a solution so that the toy factory can deliver this order. So a day is 3,770, right? But if let's say they want to meet the order and then they can work in 7 days, 7 days a week, then the problem can be solved, right? Because 3,770 times 2 is 7,540. So meaning that suggestion is you work 7 days for that week only, right? 7 days. Therefore, it's 3770 times 7. Okay. So you get 26390. So this one is more than 25,000. That is the first suggestion. 7 days, work 7 days. If you don't want, let's say I want to work 5 days only. So what should I do? So I have to increase the production per day, right? So production per day. So meaning that 5 days, I need to produce 5,000 toys per day. Okay, so 5,000 toys per day. So, okay, I write off this. So 5,000 per day. So we still left, if we minus 5,000 minus 37. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so we can use the formula, this formula, to calculate how many hours need to operate. Okay, so meaning that we operate more hours per day rather than we do 7 days. So that's mean we use we use this Tn equals to 5,000. Okay, so it's more than so we just put in the formula 250 and plus 20 more than 5,000. Okay, so it's 250 and more than 4980. So what is n then? Okay, for 5,000 minus 20 divided by 250. So you get 19.92, right? So let me erase this. Right, so erase this. Right. So your n will be more than 19.92. So n is 20, must be 20 lah. So meaning that suggestion number 2 is we operate 20 hours per day just to meet the 25,000 target, right? So 20 hours per day. Then you work for 5 days. So you will be hit more than 25,000. So there are two ways. One is you work 7 days. Second is you work 5 days, but you increase the hours to 20. Okay, so 20, that means you need to work 5 more hours. The shift will be increased another 5 hours. So from 10 a.m., 10 p.m., you plus 5 again. So it's around 3 a.m. in the morning. So the shift will be from 7 to 3 in the morning for that week only. Okay, so that is a suggestion. Okay, the next one will be this. Okay, so just now I said this is AP, right? So AP is arithmetic progression. So this one you'll learn in AdMath. So another one, this one is GP. You also will learn it in AdMath. Okay, so what is the difference in AP and GP? AP and GP is AP is when you minus the previous term minus the second the term now minus the previous term, you get the same value for the next term minus the term now. Okay, so you get like question 8, you get 250, the same amount. So that is called AP, arithmetic progression. So there is a common difference. Here is common ratio. Okay, so common ratio. So we want to find the common ratio here. So this one is just like you want to the same concept as interest rate, right? Bank interest rate. So you give 95%, let's say 0.5% of interest rate, right? For your money to invest, right? Okay. So how to find is you use, let's say this is term 1, this is term 2, term 3. Okay. So within 2 divided by term 1. So it's 14,250 divided by 15, 150,000. Okay, so you get 0.9895. Okay, 142,500 divided by 15,000. Okay, so it's 0.95. So then you use term 3. So 2004 divided by 2003. 1335375 divided by 14250. You also get 0.95. Okay, so meaning that the car resale price will be decreasing 0.95 per year. All right, so what is the general formula for resale price based on the above table? So the first year is, we consider 2003 is the first year, right? So the general formula is sales price is 150,000 times 0.95 to the power of t, right? So 2003 will be the first year, first, second, and so on, right? So this is A. For B, B1, what is the car resale price in 2010? So we want to find what is the T here. So the T is from 2002 to 2010, that is 8 years. So you can see here 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there's 1 second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, 6, 7, and 8. So there's T is 8. So you substitute T as 8. Okay, 550,000 times 0.9 to the power of 8. So you get So we get 9,951.3.06 cents. This is RM. So, and then the next question is asking you to determine the year that the resale value will less than 90,000. So you can see here it's already 99,513, right? So what we do is we multiply 0.9, okay? So meaning that we want to see the resale price of in the year 2011. So it's 99,513.06 times 0.95. So you get 94537. Another year, then you'll get 89,810. So you get this one is 94, right? 99513.06 times 0.95. So you get 94,537.41. This one is 2011. So we calculate another year. So in 2012, right? So you multiply another 0.95. So you get 2012. So here, 2012. So it's 94,537.41 times 0.95. So you get 89810. That is less than 90K, right? So meaning the year resale price is 2012. Okay. So actually this question is from your AdMaths question. So you will learn this again in your AdMaths. Remember, this is geometry progression. Then number 8 is arithmetic progression. So you can do the exercise in the textbook for 4 Science 1, self-practice 3.2F, and comprehensive practice question 8, 11, and 12 on page 89 to 90. For 4C, you do question 98 on page 46, and SPM practice question 1 to question 7, and the HOTS challenge for page 46 to 49. Okay, so this is in workbook. So for Science 1, I will give you this SPM practice from the workbook of 4C for you to do also later on. Okay, not today lah. Okay, maybe in the during before holidays. Okay, so that's all for this session. Okay.